High-pitched sounds from speakers typically stem from three main issues that we need to understand: feedback, interference, and grounding problems. Feedback occurs when a microphone picks up the sound from speakers, creating a continuous amplification loop. This loop amplifies certain frequencies, resulting in that characteristic squealing or screeching sound. Electromagnetic interference, or EMI, and radio frequency interference, RFI, occur when electronic devices emit signals that disrupt audio equipment. This introduces static or unwanted noise into the audio signal. The problem is becoming more prevalent as electronic device density increases in our environments. Grounding issues, particularly ground loops, occur when multiple devices connect to a common ground through different electrical paths. This creates unwanted current flow between devices, resulting in humming or buzzing sounds. These problems are especially common in complex audio setups with multiple components. Understanding these three root causes, feedback loops, electromagnetic interference, and grounding issues, is the essential first step in resolving high-pitched speaker sounds. Each has distinct characteristics that help identify which problem you're dealing with. Feedback occurs when sound from speakers is picked up by microphones, creating a continuous loop. The first step in fixing feedback is proper microphone and speaker positioning. Position microphones away from speakers and behind the main speaker coverage area. Adjust microphone gain to appropriate levels. Excessive gain amplifies both signal and unwanted noise. Directional microphones, like cardioid patterns, pick up sound primarily from one direction, reducing the chance of picking up speaker output. Here are the main microphone polar patterns and their pickup characteristics. Interference from electromagnetic sources creates static and noise in audio systems. The solution involves identifying interference sources and using proper cable shielding. Shielded cables contain a protective layer that blocks electromagnetic interference. The shield acts as a barrier between the signal conductors and external interference sources. Ferrite chokes are small devices that clamp onto cables to suppress high-frequency interference. They're particularly effective for reducing electromagnetic interference from nearby electronic devices. Ground loops occur when audio equipment has multiple paths to electrical ground, creating unwanted current flow and noise. The key is establishing a single, clean ground reference. Connect all audio equipment to the same electrical outlet using a quality power strip. This creates a common ground reference and eliminates ground loops between different outlets. For persistent issues, try these additional troubleshooting steps. Update audio drivers, test with different audio sources, and check internal connections for loose or corroded contacts. Use equalizers to identify and reduce problematic frequencies. High-pitched feedback typically occurs in the 2.8 kHz range. Systematically test different audio sources to isolate whether the problem is with specific equipment or the entire system. By systematically addressing feedback, interference, and grounding issues, you can eliminate most high-pitched speaker sounds and achieve clean, professional audio quality.